In this video, we're going to assign some attribute templates so that users can assign colors to this flag. You can see that we already have attributes, and they're actually variants set up already, but we're going to set up some more. So for the colors, we're going to choose one of the displays that lets us have swatches, and then just for the size of the screen, we're going to have a select drop down for the other one. So let's go to the admin and check out our templates we're going to use. So let's go to the admin, and the attribute templates are under here. So catalog attribute templates. Now we want to use a template for these because these are quite complex. There's 44 in each one, and we're not making variants of the colors in this case, so we're just going to use templates. So we have lots of flags to assign these to, and that would be it's a lot easier. So I've set up 3 of them, so color A, B, and color C. You see this one has color A and color B. So let's go ahead and assign color A first, and let's see what let's just see what it looks like. Sorry. So to go within your attribute templates here, if you just click on it and then click the little guy there, you'll see that it has a code, and then the actual attributes are here. Okay, so color A is the prompt, so that's what the user is going to see. On this screen, it's going to say like select color A, just like this one is a radio button here. The type, so if you just double click on here, sorry I did that again, so if you just double click, you'll get the editing here, and in this case we're going to use a swatch drop down list just for display. It'll look nice, you'll see. Okay, and we want to make it required because we need people to choose that color. We can leave the eye unchecked because we're not going to use variants for this, so the eye is just for inventory purposes, and we don't need it here. Okay, so I've already set it up. So click cancel. So each option in this swatch drop down has, you can see double click on each one. This image right here is a little graphic of the color that they can choose. So you can upload a different one just with the standard upload thing. It's not the fancy image machine one. Okay, so in this case there's no price changes or anything, so let's just go ahead. Also, you can see, again, this is in our attribute template setup. We want to get it all right before we start assigning it. You can adjust the order as well. Like, say I don't want smoked salmon on the top. So just like in another video we had showing you how to organize subcategories, that you can organize these attribute templates as well. So just click on it, and then you just click move to wherever. Okay, so it's the same thing. So there's that one. So here, I'm going to go find some more templates here. So that's the swatch drop down. Now, again, for size of the screen, that's going to take up way too much space if we have a whole bunch of those swatch ones. So I've made 2 more copies of that, but I'm going to show you this one here. The color B is just going to be, you can see I have it as a drop down list instead. I've also assigned these images just in case, you know, we want to flip it around at a later date. So let's go back to our product, and I want to edit my product now. So I'm going to assign those color templates to it. So I'm going to copy the code out of there, go back to the admin, I'm going to paste the code into the search, and then products, and there it is. Okay, so I'm going to click on attributes, and you can see that here are our radio buttons. So this corresponds to these, obviously, and you can tell that they're variants because if you click in here, there they are. But in this case, we're just going to assign the templates for the colors. So here we go. So add template, and we're going to just choose color A. It doesn't really matter what this one is because the template actually fills it in again. Okay, so we're just going to choose there. Okay, so again, these don't really matter because the template actually does it as well. So the values from these come from the template. So now you get a choice between copying and linking. In this case, we want to link. That means that editing the template will edit all products with this template assigned. If you copy them, it doesn't keep the template assignment. So if you edit, the salmon, or you get rid of salmon or something from this product, it won't affect the whole template. So that's a good and bad thing. So I'm going to choose link. And you can see that now we have more attributes assigned to this product. You can see here, and the thing was, when they are a template, it says template here. And if I try to just double click on here to edit it, it's going to give me a pop-up saying, yo, this is a template. Do you want to edit it, or do you want to, again, copy these to get rid of the template? So it's also a quick way to get back to editing a template. So there we go. Like I said, templates affect multiple products. So that's a quick way to edit a template after it's been assigned. Okay, so now if we go back to our products here and we reload the page, you'll see that we have our select color A, and it was the swatch. Okay, so we change these around, and the the selected color changes. So let's go put our color B on there. So back to our admin, we're on our product still, attributes, so we're going to add another template, and then I'm going to go color B. Okay, and then we just drop down color B, this guy here, and we're going to link it again. Sorry, link. See, it confuses me too. All right, so, and then we can scroll down here and you'll see there's color B. Right, so if we refresh the screen here, you'll see color B, and it's a list like I showed you before, and color A is there. Now, here's the thing with the swatch kind. You can only put one swatch kind of attribute on the page at once. So you get to choose one of them as swatches. If you don't, like if you try to put more than one swatch on the page at once, it combines them into one big huge list, and it just doesn't work yet. So only one of these. Also, the swatches always go last on this template, so it might be a little confusing where you get color B showing before color A, but that is the limitation of it for right now. So we have these both assigned to this product here. Okay, and I'll show you, like if we add one to the cart, I'm going to choose yellow for color B and green for color A, and I'm going to add it to my cart. And if I go edit my cart, you'll see there's color A and color B.